A face shield for additional protection apart from the mask. You need one transparency sheet. It used to be called as OHP slide, and then you need a scissor, a marker pen, then you need elastic, either a small one or a thinner one, 1/4 inch or ½ inch or even 1 inch is okay. And you can either have a double side tape or you can use a paper tape. So first what you're going to do is, we will, as you can see, to give some curvature on either side of the length of the polythene sheet. It's quite transparent. Do not remove the white color cover from this, and then just cut the curvature along this line. Similarly on the other side you can do the same, so that the sharp edges will not hurt you. And then take the elastic, and then you can staple one end, 3 staplers, one at the center, and then I'll cut about an inch or so short of the leg, so that it will be held tightly by the wearer. And then I will again take about a centimeter inside of the face shield, then again I will stapler it thrice, and then now you can remove this. If I have a double side tape, I'll put it on the back side, that will come between the head. As you can see, then I'll cut it off here. I will not remove the yellow sticker on the inside side. So I can put my company's logo, or if you want to put any sticker, you can put that at the center. Face shield is ready, and it can be worn as it is. You can see here, and gives you good protection from any respiratory droplets. Gives you good protection, and you can also wear it over a mask for double protection. For a slightly low cost face shield, instead of putting a double side tape on the other side, I can put a paper tape on the front side and then cover up the staples. On either side I will cover the staples so that it doesn't hurt the head in any way. And then I can stick the logo in the front. And so this kind of shield will cost about 12 rupees, and this is expected to cost about 15 rupees, just because of difference in the tapes. And I can wear a mask first. And then I can wear face shield over this. The breathing is very comfortable, and it also gives me double protection against any respiratory droplets remaining suspended in the air, or if I go outside to buy any essentials, or if I go out to work. So in this way you can protect yourself during this COVID-19 crisis, especially with the environment which is very hazardous